exciting, but also a little scary. That's what learning feels like. Every day we take steps towards something new, following a path that leads us to greater understanding. And just like every traveler needs a guide, we have something that helps us find our way. Wisdom.
But wisdom isn't only about facts. It's also about how we treat others. Listening to someone else's perspective, showing empathy, and understanding those around us, that's wisdom too.
To remind us of this journey, our team has created something special, a gift to our school that will last forever.
This compass will always be here, reminding us that wisdom is a journey, one that never truly ends.
And now, every time we pass it, we can remember the greatest teachers are all around us. We just have to be open to learning.
Searching for some meaning, open up your eyes. It is all around you. Who is wise when everyone and everything becomes a teacher? Who is wise when you could see the outcome before you act? Yeah.
Placed in a shared space, it will serve as a daily reminder to students, teachers, staff, parents, and everyone who walks through our school that you are smart, strong, beautiful, and capable. Most of all, this mirror is here for those tough days when you need to remember you are all גיבור וגיבורה. Do we have any people who would like to experience Eretz Miriam's הגיבורים שלנו? Pick a button and
אני אינטליגנטיה. אני יכול לעשות הכל. אני מצליח. I'm happy. אני שמחה.
Being the richest person in the world is about finding contentment, gratitude, and joy in all the riches that Hashem gives us. Tima Shir acknowledges that being rich does not mean having money or monetary possessions. Rather, recognizing the riches in our daily lives that exist all around us. Our banner signifies some of these riches.
we designed this piece with leaves and branches. Leaves symbolize many things, including growth, renewal, and hope. Hashem has blessed us with an abundance of natural beauty, and Hashem, it is our job to connect to it. Like the roots that take hold in the rich soil, we too must stay grounded in our emunah.
ישראל היא ליבו של העם היהודי, ומקשרת אותנו למורשת שלנו, למסורת שלנו ולערכים שלנו. הקשר שלנו לישראל מעשיר את זהותנו, ומזכיר לנו את העוצמה והאחדות של עם ישראל. כשאנו לומדים על ישראל, אנו חשים גאווה יהודית גדולה. קשר זה מעשיר את חיינו במשמעות, מחבר אותנו למדינת ישראל, ונותן לנו תחושת גאווה על שאנחנו חלק מהעם היהודי ומארץ ישראל.
Our family and friends provide a sense of belonging that enriches our lives beyond material possessions. Shared experiences and memories become cherished treasures. We learn valuable lessons about gratitude and appreciation from our loved ones. Love, fostering a positive, rich outlook on life.
The heart is a symbol that represents love, affection, and emotion. The giving hand reminds us of our rich ability to be on the giving end. Here at Hillel, we are provided opportunities to participate in many chesed programs, including Topchei Shabbat, Yachad, Friendship Circle, Loving Groceries, and more. A person's life is richer when they positively impact others and the community.
Yachad, we are stronger. All three groups, Ashilim, Gibolim, and Chachamim. Hallelu has brought us all here together. We are rich in talent, skills, midah, and most importantly, rich in achdut.
We are blessed to be here at Hillel, in a warm, nurturing environment, where we learn the importance of Ezu Ashir, Ezu Ashir, Ezu Ashir. Hillel teaches us core values, instilling within us a rich appreciation for who we are and what we have. Our puzzle is not complete as the rest of our story remains unwritten.
You know, I'm playing games, texting with emojis, taking selfies. Meanwhile, I'm over here with this phone. And you know what that means?
That you have a perfectly good phone that works just fine?
No, it means that everybody's gonna treat me poor. They'll say, ew, green text bubbles, and they'll act like I did under it wrong.
Ah, yes, because your text color clearly determines your entire life's worth.
You don't get it.
Uh-huh. And tell me, little human, if everyone jumped into a lake, would you?
Yes, if they posted on TikTok, absolutely.
days.
I used to think being rich was about having the newest iPhone, the coolest shoes, the best stuff. But really, it's about friends and family and people that care about you, not just yourself.
אין עוד מלבדו